National Weather Service in Dartmoor has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Truscott County in north-central Kavora, Zareth County in north-central Kavora, Glidden County in north-central Kavora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds excess of 57 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. This dangerous storm was located near Truscott County, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include West Haven, Nimbora, Valdora, Tarnova, Dartmoor, Oyo, and Maysville Valley. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lighting, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. The National Weather Service in Dartmoor has issued a tornado warning for Truscott County in north-central Kavora, Zareth County in north-central Kavora, Glidden County in north-central Kavora. National Doppler radar and storm